levels, how y'all doing? My name is Rowdy and welcome back to the channel. I got a new present. So, as some of you might know, I'm quite of like a technology geek. That's one of the first reasons why I got actually interested in virtual reality. And I got myself like really cool. You probably already know what it is from the title. But yeah, let's pack this baby out. First and foremost, this video is not sponsored by Google in any way. I bought this thing of my own money just because I like stuff like this. I was expecting something a bit larger actually. How did they manage to fit 3 speakers in here? Oh well, like that. 1, 2, 3. We got a USB port right here, but it's not a Type-C port. It's not really future-proof then, I guess. Especially since all the phones that Google is currently making are having Type-C ports. This is a bit of a weird decision. Yeah, we got the manual over here, but it's in French, so yeah, can't really read that. But it should be straightforward enough, right? We got a power plug, and we got the Google Home. So let's set this up. It makes
Bonjour.
noise.
Bienvenue sur Google Home. Pour commencer, téléchargez l'appli Google Home sur votre téléphone ou votre tablette.
Oh, please tell me that I can change the language on this thing, because my French is not good enough for that. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 6:30.
It works! Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
Don't know this song. Hey Google, how do you say nice to meet you in Dutch?
Aangenaam kennis te maken.
Oh, this thing is smart! Hey Google, tell us a joke.
Okay, here you go. A sandwich walks into a bar. The barman says, "Sorry, we don't serve food in here."
That's not funny. Hey Google, what noise does a bear make?
Here's a bear sound.
I think that's a bear sound. Alright, well I got it entirely set up now. It was actually fairly easy to do so. It was a very straightforward process and I didn't have any troubles with hooking this thing up. I obviously still need some more time with like testing out all of the features that it has because I didn't have the time to do that yet. But I'll come back to this video in just a couple of days and then I'll let you know all my thoughts about it. Hey Google, say see you soon.
Take care.
Take care. Now I've had a couple of weeks trying this thing out and I have to say that I really like this. And so does my girlfriend. The thing I like about it most is how fast it actually reacts to your voice. You basically just say the keyword and straight after that you say the sentence that you wanted to do and it does it instantly. You don't need to wait for it to turn on. Let me show you. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 5:13.
It's instant. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. What do you do if you see a spaceman? You park your car, man.
Yeah, its jokes aren't the greatest, you know. I just got it. Aw, man. And that brings me to one of the things that I like most about this, and that is its music features. You can integrate this with Spotify, with Google Play Music, like I did, and basically just ask for a song or a playlist or an artist, and it will play it. Let me show you. Hey Google, play some hip hop.
Sure, playing your Google Play Music playlist called Hip Hop Greatest.
Yeah.
Here we go. Woo! It can also get quite loud. Hey Google, set volume to maximum.
Currently in Antwerp, it's 11 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be showers with a forecast high of 12 and a low of 2.
Okay, hey Google, stop. Thank you. You can also operate this thing with a few basic controls. For example, turning the volume down, or turning it up, or continuing the playlist. Yeah. Pretty neat. Now there have been a lot of people asking me, do I find it efficient? Do I find it like it increases my productivity? No, it doesn't. I mean, it's just a gadget to have and it's a nice addition to this. Do I see this like increasing like the productivity that I have at the moment? No, not really. It's just nice to be able to say that. You can attach so many things to this and you can basically make any kind of house smart. And that is what this thing does. And it does it really well. I can see this in the future to be something integrated in a lot of homes, and by doing so it will get smarter and will get to do even more things, and then it will probably become something like you can't miss anymore, like these things, your smartphone. But for now it's not really up to a point that you can say like, this increases my productivity and my efficiency, or it helps me around in the house. It does those things in a very minimal way at the moment. But it's still fun to say, for example, hey Google, turn on the lights. You can also teach the Google Home to say certain phrases when you ask certain things, or to say certain things when you ask it to do certain things. For example, hey Google, who is the best VR YouTuber?
Well, it's hard to choose, but I would say that Rowdy guy is the best.
See, if Google says so, it has to be true, right? And there are a ton of things that you can set up like this, which makes this a lot of fun. And that is one of the major features for this, is that you can make any house smarter for a very reasonable price. And this isn't even the cheapest one. You even have a cheaper version of this, the little Google Home Minis, which I'm probably going to get for the kitchen or the bedroom as well, so that I have like a smart device there as well. I personally think that it is crazy that for so little money, because I only paid 150 euros for this, you can make any kind of house or apartment or studio smart. And a lot smarter than many of the systems that are already around. And this is Google. This is going to improve over the years even more. The more people that start using it, the smarter that these devices will get. And you can already hook up so many applications to this, so many devices to this. It's gonna be amazing in a couple of years. I do have 2 points of critique though. First off, the keyword. It feels a little bit cheesy to be saying, hey Google, the entire time. I don't want to say it too loud because I'm gonna trigger it every time. If you look at Alexa, for example, it is much cooler to say, hey Alexa, than hey Google. But then again, I heard recently that Google was going to integrate different kind of solutions to this so that people could also choose their own keywords. And that would make this a lot more interesting. And the second one is, I have a little bit of a safety issue with this, because there is no voice recognition software integrated into this, which means that anyone who says the keyword can operate this. And for now that is not a problem, but there's a lot of more devices that are becoming integrated with this. Like for example, smart locks, lights, curtains, all these kind of things are all being integrated with this and are available on the market, which means that other people can operate these kind of devices as well with their own voice. If you place a device like this close to your door and someone shouts the keyword loud enough in front of your door, then they'll be able to operate certain things in your house. I think that Google should integrate voice recognition software as soon as possible on this, because that is still a major issue with this. But anyway, that was it for my little review of the Google Home right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave a like, subscribe, all of that. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Why do ghosts love elevators? Because they lift their spirits.